I'll be showing how to measure a gas cell using a Yokogawa OSA. So first we have a laser source, in this case an NKT Photonics Super K compact laser with a beam splitter that splits the laser source beam going into an IR fiber being fed into an adapter and then going into our gas cell right here. So the gas cell has a CO2 gas inside it, and that's what helps change the wavelengths from the source. So then that is fed into the OSA where we can measure. So just doing an auto, we can see something in this 1900-ish area. So let's just sort of change our span. Let's change it to 70. And then let's have a center at 1900. And so we can see it. Let's change that resolution to about 0.1, maybe a higher sensitivity of high so we can really see those peaks. So we can slowly see it coming on the screen with those peak levels, but I'd like to better look. So let's change our log scale to something a bit lower so we can see those peaks even better. So I'm going to put it to about 2. And just kind of have it change that reference level so we can see it pretty well from there.